So welcome back everybody, live snapshot. Appreciate you dropping by. Just a quick note, I've just bought one of these new, well, it's not new I suppose, little compact CB radios, 80 channel, and I've just hooked it all up. As you can see, she's scanning through. We are in a very rural area, so there's probably not many people let me just start her up. Drive. Top. There we go, she's picked up something. So I've got the big unit, the old school big unit there, and it's not working. And of course I got a little bit lazy and couldn't be bothered taking that one off. So I've got this tiny little unit. It cost me $200. It was I think $240 or something, but I got a club discount through Super Cheap. No, BCF. Sorry, BCF, and it was $189 with the aerial. So I'll check it out later. Like I said, I'm in a rural area. There's not many people on the CB radio, but it seems to be working okay. You press this button here and she scans through all the channels. 80 channels, not bad for under $200 I feel. I've got to play with it anyway, probably sort out the squelch and mic RF rank gain and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see how we go. I've just turned that off because it turns off automatically. Turn that off. And that's the aerial. It actually comes in two pieces. Screws on there. It's about 1.2 meters. It's got a good spring on it. So if I hit something, she'll bounce back. Anyway, next time I go for a cruise, I'll see how it works. All the best. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. So yeah, the reason why we got that CB radio is we're going to be going overseas. Sorry, when we get back from going from overseas to Hong Kong around the 17th of March, we're planning on going on a trip somewhere in Australia. So we're going to drive and take the dog, and we're going to probably maybe try some really remote areas. So we got that CB for that reason. And anybody knows in Australia, if you travel, especially if you go inland, you can literally drive for sometimes a whole day and not see somebody, and the only sort of traffic that'll be on the road will be big rigs doing their normal coast to coast runs. So the CB radio will come in handy if something goes wrong, of course, and there's obviously no cell reception. And the CB radio, you can contact truckers and other travellers. There's a lot of people who travel with vans and stuff like that, and they've got their UHF channel on the back of the van, so that it's just a backup, just in case there's no cell coverage, something goes wrong, and we've got the CB radio to call for help or assistance. So there's a tip if you're ever thinking about going for a cruise around Australia. There's a lot of places where there's no cell coverage, and you need to have some sort of backup plan to try and contact basically the outside world. So there you go. All the best, guys. Thanks again for watching. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy.